How to add friends on Knives Out. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are trying to connect with friends in Knives Out, you are in the right place. First of all, launch open the Knives Out game and you'll land in the main lobby screen. So from the lobby page, go ahead and click on the two human icons at the top right corner, this one, and then you'll end up in this My Friends tab. To add new friends, go to the Find Friends button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. And then go to the top of the screen under Search By and enter your friend's player name or their ID. Be careful with the spelling. Usernames are case sensitive sometimes. Now you can also go ahead and filter search by mutual friends, gender, city, tier, and other options displayed on the screen. And now click on the search button. Make sure that you type in the ID or the username correct. After you search for the person and they appear in the search result, tap on this little plus icon right next to their name. Simply click on that and you can send greetings to the other party by typing it down in the text box. But remember, the character level must reach 15 to customize application descriptions. Finally, click on the Send Application button at the bottom right corner and you'll be able to send friend requests to the person. You can also accept incoming requests in the same section if you ever receive one. So that's how you can add friends in Knives Out. It is super quick and easy, and it opens up a whole new level of fun where you are playing as a team. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.